Hello, SharePoint 2010 workflows are being retired. In November of 2020, the SharePoint 2010 workflows will be turned off for Office 365 tenants. In February of 2021, the SharePoint 2010 workflows, the services will be completely removed from all Office 365 tenants. But don't panic. Crow Canyon software is here to help. We have tools that you can use to replace the SharePoint 2010 workflows. We have our ready to go business applications and we have our NITRO Studio Forms and Workflow platform. These are already in use at many organizations around the world, providing real business functionality and replacing outdated solutions such as SharePoint 2010 workflows, SharePoint 2013 workflows, and Infopath Forms, as well as Access and Lotus Notes. So if you're on Office 365, it's time to check out Crow Canyon Software's business applications in NITRO Studio. We have a number of business applications in the service desk, work order, HR, many departments we cover of core business applications. These can often be used to simply replace whatever workflow you have going already and just put one of our applications in place and that'll serve the purpose. But we also have our NITRO Studio. This is an application creation platform that runs in Office 365 as well as SharePoint 2013, 2016, and 2019. It has a forms designer, it has a workflow engine, it has reporting tools, portals, modern or classic UI, it has chatbots, database integration, all the tools you need to build applications that can replace SharePoint 2010 and 2013 workflows as well as Infopath. NITRO Studio is a comprehensive and powerful tool. It's easy and simple to use. It's an affordable pricing. It is your SharePoint 2010 workflow replacement solution. It has, with the advanced form designer, the workflow engine, the mobile and responsive design, and many other features, you can easily substitute it in, actually improve whatever the SharePoint 2010 workflow was doing. You do it in a much more improved and modern interface with our modern tools, whether our business applications or our NITRO Studio. To learn more about what we provide, call us. Our phone number is 925-478-3110, extension 1. You can email us at sales@crowcanyon.com. You go to our website and request a demo. Be sure to check out our website with the many resources and videos and blogs and white papers, and you'll know you're on our website when you see the crow. Here you go. You see the crow, you're ready to go. www.crowcanyon.com. Thank you.